GTWIN 540-degree rotation magnetic USB cable for iPhone Lightning charger Type-C charging wire for Xiaomi Huawei magnet micro USB cable. Specifications. Brand name, GTWIN. Connector B, micro USB. Connector B, Type-C. Connector B, Lightning. Maximum current, 2.4 A. Surface material, nylon. Connector A, Type-C. Connector A, Lightning. Connector A, micro USB. Features, with LED indicator. Features, magnetic. Features, illuminated. Features, Huawei certified. Features, MFi certified. Features, alloy connector. Features, with C94. Has retail package, yes. Feature 1, USB-C wire. Feature 2, smartphone adapter. Feature 3, Type-C cord. Feature 4, magnetic plug. Feature 5, USB cable. Feature 6, magnetic charger. Feature 7, magnetic charging cable. Feature 8, magnetic cable. Feature 9, micro USB cable. Feature 10, Moblie phone cable. Compatible Model 1, for iPhone 11 Pro Max XXXXR108766S Plus. Compatible Model 2, for Huawei P30 Pro P20 Lite Mate 30 Mate 20. Compatible Model 3, for Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 8 Pro 7 Lite. Compatible Model 4, for Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus S9 Note 8A70. Compatible Model 5, for OnePlus 8 7 Pro 7T 66T. Function 1 to 540-degree rotation magnetic cable. Function 2, LED strong magnetic USB cable. Cable length 1 to 1 m magnetic USB cable. Cable length 2 to 2 m magnetic USB cable. Pictures overview.
Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all.
Price, $4. 60 days money back guarantee. Check description for purchase link. Thanks for watching.